So for my badge, I decided to screencast and do like a little presentation on a North Carolina digital standard that I found. And the standard I chose was for third grade, and it says students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goals, informed by the learning sciences. And the other part of it is students understand the fundamental concepts of technology operations, demonstrate the ability to choose, use, and troubleshoot current technologies, and are able to transfer their knowledge to explore emerging technologies. So for the picture, I decided to use this because it's the ISTE standard, and it's from the Talking Tech website. This is where I found it, the new 2016 ISTE standards for students. I get it's like 2016 is old, but I was just using this picture to reference, and I also referenced it in my last slide. But yeah, I thought this was perfect to put because it explains creative communicator, global collaborator, empowered learner, digital citizen, knowledge constructor, innovative designer, and computational thinker, which I think is perfect for this standard and this class when we're talking about using different digital technologies to use. And then a real life example. Well, first I explained the standard in like simple terms. I said students should have a basic understanding of how to use different tools and technology to complete different tasks like they are asked in the classroom, and just to be able to like know how to use a variety of technologies so that they are well aware of how to, like, if they need to do something, how to know which like digital what to use. And a real life example I put was when I was in actually from 3rd to 5th grade, when we would read a chapter book, like we could pick our own. We had this thing called AR test where we would read the book, and to earn like a charm on our bookmark, we would have to take a test after we read the book on the computer. And it had us practicing. She did that so that we could practice like how to use a computer, how to get to the website, how to take like start, log in, take the test, and like answer all the questions to earn our charms on our bookmark. And it was like this whole process of like logging into the computer, getting to the website, log into the website, take your test, learning how to use different websites, but also bettering our education because we are taking tests based on the chapter book we read. And if you got like, I think it was like 100%, like 90% to 100%, you earned a charm. And yeah, I thought that was a really good example. Another example was I didn't write this down, but we also took computer class in elementary just to like learn how to type, and also they would give us a task and we would have to go on the computer and figure out like how to complete, like where to go and complete the task. So I thought that was also a really good example of learning young how to navigate technology and learn how to complete tasks using different websites, reference it like Google Slides, Google Docs, different things like that. So that was also another real life example I thought of. And then yeah, I got that picture from behind my techie wall, which was the Talking Tech. And yeah, I thought that was a perfect picture.